Okay, so I figured I would do an update on the trellis video, and I realized there was a few things that I left out that I didn't explain very well. But anyway, here's the finished product. And so I built this trellis on a slope, and as I mentioned in the previous video, the lower side is about 3 feet lower in elevation than the high side is. So the high side, the posts are about 7 feet long, and then on the low side one of them is 10 feet even, and the other one is just a little bit less on the low side. So also, after I completed putting this together, and I used 1-inch metal EMT conduit from Lowe's, 10-foot pieces, and so I pieced it together using those, and then connected them using the fittings that that are described in my previous video. And then across the top, I just put random pieces of pipe that I had left over. I think I cut them at 66 inches so they would spread across that 5-foot span, and I put those about every 2 feet, and then hung nets from them along the middle. So I've got a total of 4 nets, and they're each 5 by 15. So just to give you a quick look at my setup here.